Did you know that over 60% of irrigation systems worldwide are inefficient, wasting valuable water and energy? For farmers, this is not just an environmental issue, it is a financial one. Sizing an irrigation pump can be overwhelming. Each crop needs a specific amount of water every day. But what if sizing your solar pump and optimizing irrigation could be done in seconds, saving you time and resources? Our app has preloaded water values for 40 crops and calculates flow rate and head for different irrigation types instantly. At first, select all the crops you will have in your field or that will be planted. Then enter the number of the selected crops and the field area in Fedden. Hit the Submit button to get flow rate in cubic meter per hour. Now let's calculate the total dynamic head. Select the irrigation types. Enter the number of them to take the average head. Then complete the other required fields. Get your pump size in seconds. No need for complicated calculations or a laptop. Save time, water, and resources. When you're ready to install, consult with professionals for the perfect fit.